Nutritional Relationships. We first must talk about adaptation is a change or modification to suit new conditions or needed. A niche is a function or position of an organism or population within that ecological community. And stratification is separation into layers or levels, as in the air, soil, or vegetation. Here's an example of adaptation. We have a cuttlefish adapting to the surrounding area. Remember how a niche is how an organism adapts. And then when we talk about how an organism adapts, these are either predators or prey. And we have to know that some of them are talking about the ways they hunt. So on here, the niche is a diurnal, hunts during the day. A nocturnal, hunts during the night. Arboreal, lives and eats in trees. Terrestrial, lives and eats on the ground. And subterranean, lives and eats under the ground. Stratified. Here's a picture of the forest, or arranged in layers. We have on the top is called a canopy, understory, and on the ground, or basically on the lower levels, it's the herbs or fern level. Survival of the fittest. We have here is the lynx. Remember, the strongest will survive. The weak or injured will not survive. Carrying capacity. We have here is called an S shape or a logistic growth curve. Remember that carrying capacity is a biological species, is an environment that maximum population size the species from that specific environment can sustain for long periods of time. Think about this in carrying capacity. You're in a boat. You only have 4 people in the boat that it can hold. You have 2 people that are trying to get in. The boat can't withstand the other 2 people. The carrying capacity of that boat is 4. The next slide is exponential growth. Exponential growth, otherwise here, example, is a J-shaped curve, otherwise known as exponential growth. In exponential growth, remember, it is no longer stopping, no longer levels out. The curve occurs when the growth rate of something does not stop and just keeps on getting bigger and bigger without leveling out.